I remember how it started. Two hearts a little guarded. Didn't know where it would go, didn't know what we would hold. Now your voice lives in my silence. You're my calm inside the violence. Every time you say my name, nothing ever feels the same. I don't need to understand. All I know is take my hand. I still fall for you every night, like the first time, same light. Every touch feels brand new, like I'm discovering you. I still fall, I still do. Every dream leads to you. If love grows deeper with time, then forever you are mine. Every laugh, every kiss feels like something I can't miss. Every second, every breath feels like life after death. I don't wanna lose this now. Don't ask me to show you how. I still fall for you every night, like the first time, same light. Every touch feels brand new, like I'm discovering you. I still fall, I still do. Every dream leads to you. If love grows deeper with time, then forever you are mine. If tomorrow fades away, I'd still choose you anyway. If the stars fall from the sky, I'll still love you till I die. If we only had this night, I'd still know this love is right. If forever ends too soon, I would still belong to you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll still fall for you every night, like the first time, same light. Every touch feels brand new, like I'm discovering you. I still fall, I still do. I still do. Every night is you. I knew it was you from the start. I knew it was you from the start. I was trying not to feel it, didn't wanna just believe it. Thought that love was just a game, something I could never name. But your eyes told me a story, something soft, something holy. Now I see it crystal clear, why you're standing here. I don't need to ask you see forever in your eyes. I knew it was you from the start. You were written in my heart. Every step, every line led me right into your life. I knew it before I knew what my heart was going through. Now I see it all so clear, why you're standing here. Every breath feels so alive, like I finally feel inside. Every dream I held before doesn't matter anymore. I don't need another sign. Till I die. If forever ends tonight, I'd still know this love was right. If I had to live again, I would find you in the end. It was always you from the start. I've been waiting for a moment that would finally feel right. Every love just left me broken, lost somewhere inside. Then you came without a warning, like a sunrise after rain. Now I feel a brand new story running through my veins. I don't need to question fate, I just know it's not too late. Stay with me through every lifetime, through every dream, through every line. Even if the world rewrites like this is where I belong. Every second feels so right, like forever starts tonight. I don't fear what comes with time as long as you are mine. Stay with me through every lifetime, through every dream, through every line. Even if the world rewrites, I will find you every time. Life, I'll still choose you every time. No matter where, no matter when, I'll be yours again and again. You every lifetime. You're the remember all the nights, crying under broken lights. Every promise turned to dust, every love betrayed my trust. I was done with hoping more, closing every single door, till you knocked without a sound and you turned my world around. Every night turns into day. Every word you softly say takes my loneliness away. I don't need another sign, you're already mine. You're the only love that stayed, never faded, never changed. Every scar, every tear led me right to having you here. You're the only one who knew how to love me like you do. stay.